Okay, I have been waiting for this order for a while. I'm so excited. This is a huge box. I had started opening it, but figured I would share the unboxing experience with everybody. Let's see if I can get my phone on that camera mount there and if it'll even fit everything. Okay, I have this raised as high as possible. I'm standing on my chair. And I've got my big garbage can here because there is a lot of paper. So what is this thing? Well, I probably wrote it in the description or the subject of what this is. I need to get back down to ground level. Oh my gosh, I just emptied my garbage can and it's full of all this paper. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So cool, I can see it already. Okay, there it is. Wow. This is a giant melon shell. Okay, this is a 13-inch Melo umblicatus. Wow. Oh my goodness, this thing is amazing and beautiful. Okay, so here is the shell. Melo umblicatus, or the heavy Baler, and this one is measured at 13 inches. Here's what the back of it looks like. The top, this is the front, this is the side where the shell, he goes this way, so a siphon would come out and he would travel like that. This is incredible. I love how it has the spikes here, kind of like the crowned Baler, and I have become fascinated by these guys after visiting the shell shop in St. Pete, and Chris bought me that other small melon, which is the crowned Baler, or Melo Aethiopica. And this guy is so tiny and dwarfed. But here's why it's called the crowned Baler. And the reason they're called Balers, I found out, is because the Indonesians use them to bail water out of their canoes. And I can really see how this could be used to get water out. And just enormous. These guys are from Australia. The crowned Baler is from the Ethiopia area, hence its scientific name. I love this, these ridges here. They're really smooth like porcelain. Amazing. Definitely worth it. This is definitely my largest shell in my collection so far. Amazing. My favorite little guy that I got fits in there perfectly. Beautiful, beautiful gastropod shell.